Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission APSC AE JEE. আজি আমি মেকানিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিঙৰ কাৰণে APSC পটা এটা এক্সামৰ কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰ ডিসকাস কৰিম। এইখন পেপাৰত মুঠ 100টা কোৱেশ্চন আছে, 100 নম্বৰৰ পেপাৰ হয় আৰু 2 ঘণ্টা এলট কৰা হৈছে। ইয়াতে 1 মাৰ্ক কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰৰ কাৰণে আৰু ইচ ৰং আনসাৰৰ কাৰণে মাইনাস নেগেটিভ মাৰ্কিং আছে, that is -0.25 মাৰ্কস। So এইখিনি হল কোৱেশ্চন খিনি। So আমি গোটেই কোৱেশ্চনস খিনি এক্সট্ৰাক্ট কৰি অলপ ক্লিয়াৰ কে বনাইছো এন্ড হে এক্সট্ৰাক্টেড কোৱেশ্চনস খিনি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম। So first question to হৈছে tachometer is used to measure what? Vibration, speed, strain, pressure. So ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত কাৰেক্ট অপচন হৈছে speed. Tachometer se generally rotational speed বা angular velocity measure কৰে shaft বা diskৰ যিকোনো motor বা বেলেগ মেচিনৰ shaft বা disk থকা তাতে যেটো rotational speed আছে তাৰ হেতু measure কৰে tachometer। আৰু next question to হল Rosette-Gauss measures what? Strain, temperature, light intensity, wind velocity. So Rosette-Gauss to এটা sensor based gauge হয়। So e measure কৰে material strain to. So the correct option is strain. Next question is which of the following is not an operating system software? Yate mon koribo logia etu je not an operating system hodise. So Windows, Unix, VX, VMS he gute gita to ami janue je operating system software hoy, but this idea to operating system software nohoy. So now what is IDEA? IDEA, it stands for International Data Encryption Algorithm. E eta operating software nohoy, it is an encryption algorithm. So the correct option is IDEA. So next question is the basic building blocks provided in a CAD/CAM software are. So basic geometric building blocks ami janu je points, lines, circles thake. So the correct option will be all of this. Next question is in abrasive jet machining AJM which of the following materials is used as an abrasive grain? So yate option ase Al2O3, that is alumina, silicon carbide, glass bead and all of the above. So ami janu je alumina, silica and glass bead gutei khini as an abrasive grain use kora hoy AJM ot. So the correct option will be option D, all of the above. Next question is in a gas turbine plant power is produced when the working fluid does some work on the shaft, fins, blades, casing. So ami janu je gas turbine power plant ot work ba power produce hoy jetia he gas to expand kore in a turbine. So turbine to working gas jitu thake, working fluid to at a high temperature and pressure it passes through the turbine, it strikes the turbine blades and then rotate those to generate power. So the correct option will be option C, blades. Next question is the cost of nuclear fuel in a nuclear power plant economics is. So it is running cost, the maintenance cost or capital cost or overhead cost. So cost of nuclear fuel. Ita ami janibo lagibo je nuclear fuel jetia eta nuclear power plant ot use kore nuclear reactor use kora hoy, and nuclear reactor to nuclear fuel to almost 5-6 years olege, more than 5 years or kane thake. So ami jetia eta nuclear power plant ba eta nuclear power plant install kora hoy eta nuclear reactor to initially fuel to inject kora hoy. So nuclear fuel or jitu cost hobo hetu capital cost ote pori jay. So the correct option is capital cost. Next question is which part of the thermal power plant causes maximum energy losses? So maximum energy losses condenser hoy. As per statistics around 54% of the energy losses occur in the condenser only. So yate correct option hobo condenser. Yate ei question paper khonot actually basic numericals teneke nai, bahut short apnar conceptual aru information based questions ase. So tare questions ki teneke numerical based নহয়, বহুত tough hardcore numerical teneke নাই, গোটে information based বা অলপ conceptual questions হে আছে। So এটা দেখা পাইছে। So next question to hobo the unit of inductance is. Inductance or unit ami janu it is a 10+2 level question only. So here correct option hobo Henry, which is capital letter H, aru 1 Henry is equal to 1 kilogram meter square per second square per ampere square. So etu monot rakhibo logia hoy. Then Next question is, if two resistances are placed in series, the final resistance is. It is janu je ami jetia 10 plus 2 re etu eta level question hoy jetia resistance series connect kora hoy titia duita resistance final resistance by resultant to pabo karone ami duita resistance add kori diu. So the final resistance is obviously higher, so correct option will be higher. The next question is, allowable or allowed noise level by the WHO in residential area. Actually WHO recommend কৰে দুটা লেভেলৰ কাৰণে suppose এটা হ'ল যিকোনো এৰিয়াৰ কাৰণে suppose industrial area হওক বা commercial area হওক residential area হওক. So in residential area also in other areas also কি হয় WHO recommend কৰে দুটা লেভেলত যে এটা ডে টাইমৰ কাৰণে এটা নাইট টাইমৰ কাৰণে. In residential areas during daytime the allowable noise level is 55 decibel and at the same time during the night time it is 45 decibel. So average comes out to be 50 decibel. So the correct option as in residential area is 50 decibels. So next question is, which of the following is called greenhouse gas? So yete option asa methane, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. We all know that methane and carbon dioxide are very popular greenhouse gas. So yete jehetu option both A and C ase, so it will be methane and carbon dioxide, that is both A and C. So option D is the correct option. Next is NC contouring, numerical control contouring is an example of continuous path positioning, point to point positioning, or absolute positioning, or incremental positioning. So yate NC contouring ot ki hoy jitu cutter path ase hetu continuously control kora hoy. So mane jate ami workpiece to desired geometry pao. So jehetu yate continuously control kora hoy he cutter tour path to, so therefore this is an example of continuous path positioning. So next question is, which of the following agents is responsible for turning the Taj Mahal yellow? So ami jano je Taj Mahal to yellow hoy joa reason hol acid rain, and yate options ase acid rain or main contributing factor to hol sulfur dioxide. So the main agent which is responsible for turning the Taj Mahal yellow, it should be the sulfur dioxide only. The next question is, money is a medium of communication or barter or exchange or speculation. Ami jodi sao eitar bitorat money is a medium of exchange, but again money paisa it can be defined in terms of three functions ba services. So first of all, medium of exchange. Jehetu eta medium or kotha hudise, so the correct option will be medium of exchange. But then tare duta aru belek definitions ase jene it can also be defined as a store of value by unit of account. So jehetu yat medium hudise, so money is the medium of exchange. So the correct option is exchange. Next comes this question, purchase of office equipment for cash. It will be recorded on which side of the cash book? So yate options as a receipt, payments, incomes and expenditure. Ami first cash book or concept to hikibo janibo lagibo. So cash book ot etu hol, so cash book ot actually duta side thake, eta hol receipt side and eta hol antu hol payment side. So receipt side ot actually debit side thake and payments ot credit side. So yate ki ami journal entry he case to karone je purchase of office equipment for cash he a case to ami journal entry keneke banam. Journal entry we will be making this way. So etu hol journal entry, yate particulars o thakibo je purchase account debit to cash account. Jehetu cash account to credit ase and jehetu cash book or only cash transaction e record kora hoy, so credit side e ami jam yate likhim by purchase, aru jehetu by purchase to ami payments or side e likhisu, that is credit side e likhisu, that is also called payment side. Therefore the correct option will be payments here. So yate correct option to hobo payments. So moving on to the next question. So next question to is the string of 8 bits is known as. Eta ami dekhisu je olop computer knowledge er upor to basic level questions kuda hoise. So yate etu question is the string of 8 bits is known as. 8 bits er string to byte boli koa hoy. So correct option is byte. ইয়াতে নিবল নহ'ব because নিবলটোত হয় 4b. So the correct option will be right. Next question is what is the maximum length of the file name in DOS? So DOS at ki hoy maximum 8 character thake basic file name and yate extension actually 3 characters allowable hoy. So total with a dot. So total dot to ku dhori 12 ta characters allowable hoy, but yate basic file name or kotha hoise. File name jehetu hoy so yate maximum length to hobo amar 8 jehetu yate file name or kotha hoise. Jodi yate extension and file name duta thakile heten tetia duita sob milai 12 holten, but the correct option here it is 8 jehetu okol file name or kotha hoise. Next question, it is also again pertaining to this computer knowledge only, but basic computer level general knowledge. So Bluetooth applies what technology that connects devices in small area? So we all know it is wireless LAN. So the correct option will be wireless LAN. LAN means local area network. So that will work. Next question is impulse turbine is used for medium head of water, high head of water, low head of water, or all are incorrect. The all are incorrect to no hobo. Kunuba eta head of water to hobo. So impulse turbine actually like Penton wheel hebila high head of water karne use kora hoy. And ami janibo lagibo je medium head of water karne kuntu turbine use kora hoy ba low head or karne kuntu turbine use kora hoy. So for that low header karne to Kaplan turbine use kora hoy and medium header karne Francis turbine use kora hoy. So impulse turbine ba jodi ate thake Pelton wheel turbine, which is a type of impulse turbine. So it will be used for high head of water. So correct option is option B. Next question is an air vessel is a closed vessel or chamber having an opening at the base and filled with water and air, filled with water, filled with compressed air, and all are incorrect. So yate correct option hobo filled with compressed air because it's an air vessel and yate huda hoise je air vessel is a closed vessel having an opening at the base etutu thake and it is filled with compressed air. So next question is in an ecosystem the physical and chemical compounds mean. So physical and chemical compounds are to kuno life na thake, so obviously biotic structure to gole and jehetu non living hoy to yate correct option hobo abiotic structure. So the correct option. Then comes the next question, which is which of the following processes is used in powder metallurgy? Powder metallurgy heating and sintering use kora hoy. So yate duita option ase and therefore both A and B are correct. That's why the correct option is option D. The next question is Microsoft is an example of. Yate again basic computer knowledge questions ahi ase. So this is another example. Microsoft is an example of what? Microsoft is an example of horizontal market software hoy. So hetu knowledge base asil. So option D is correct. Next question is vacuum tubes, transistors, electrolytes, etc. are called ohmic conductors, non-ohmic conductors, non-linear conductors. Yate vacuum tubes, transistors, jehetu ekita components Ohm's law follow nokore, so they are non-ohmic conductors. But then again Ohm's law follow nokora mane he jitu linear relationship between V and I, that is voltage and current ase hetu follow nokore, therefore they are also non-linear conductors. So the correct option will be both B and C. So therefore the correct option is option D. Next question is absolute zero pressure occurs at a temperature of 273 Kelvin when molecular momentum of the system becomes zero at sea level under vacuum conditions. So yate correct option hobo when molecular momentum of the system becomes zero and absolute zero pressure occurs at a temperature of 0 Kelvin. Yate 273 Kelvin ase kintu 0 Kelvin hobo. So 0 Kelvin means 273.16 degree centigrade hoy. Yate jodi thakile heten je 273.16 degree centigrade tetia etu correct hol den kintu eta to yate dia ase je 273 Kelvin hoy, but it occurs as at a temperature of 0 Kelvin. So the correct option is option B, that is absolute zero pressure occurs when the molecular momentum of the system becomes zero. So the next question is efficiency of the Carnot cycle depends on compression ratio or temperature limits or cutoff ratio. That obviously Carnot cycle efficiency আমি জানো যে sink temperature or source temperature upon completely depend করে. So the correct option will be temperature limits. The next question is a machine to be self-locking. The efficiency would be, so efficiency should be, it is less than 50%. So machine to either reversible होगा पारे और जो reversible ना होए ठीक है self locking हो जाए. So it is also a knowledge based question, that is efficiency should be less than 50%. The next question is impact test enables to determine the property of. So impact test to कित्या हमें करा है जित्या हमें एटा material সেই property চাব বিচাৰো যেটোৰ দ্বাৰা মানে যেটা এটা একদম sudden load apply কৰা হয় তেতিয়া সেই materialটো কিমান সেই loadটো হইব পাৰে. So in that case that property of that material is called toughness, and impact test enables to determine the property of materials. Which property? Toughness. So the correct option is toughness. The next question is ability of a material to deform permanently under compression without breaking is called. Yate a question to बहुत each and every word बहुत meaning আছে जैसे the ability of a material to deform permanently यारे ऐसे deform permanently not elastically. So permanently বুলি কোৱা লগে লগে elasticity এটো তো গলে then hardness তো হবই নোৱাৰে deform এ নহব hardness হলে. So under compression without breaking is called. So under compression and without breaking. Under compression সেইকাৰণে elasticity to ductility to nahe, ductility মানে এটো tensile load কথা है, so এটো তো নহবই. So the correct option will be malleability. আমি জানো যে malleability is the property of materials to have the ability to be beaten into sheets. যেতিয়া আমি beat কৰো তেতিয়া তো ইয়াতে compressive forces apply কৰা হয়. So under compression material to deform permanently, so without breaking a ability to do malleability কব. So the correct option is malleability. Next question is the atomic diameter of an FCC crystal lattice whose parameter is A is. The parameter is A বুলি কোৱাৰ meaning এটো হল questioner description to হল আমি জানো যে যেটা FCC crystal lattice থাকে তেতিয়া তাৰে face ত যিকোনো এটা suppose side আছে সেই side ৰ each and every corner 1/4 of the atom share কৰা হয়. So 4 corners তেনেকে থাকে আৰু মাজত এটা each face ত এটা atom থাকে. So ইয়াতে আমি এটো orientation পাও. So আমি ইয়াতে দেখিছো যে এই যেটা লাইন আছে এই diagonal ডাল ইয়াতে 1r 2r then 3r then ইয়াতে 4r. So ইয়াতে 4r but 2d দুডাল diameter সমান length আছে, and this is the parameter A. মানে সাইড যেটো আছে হেতু parameter বুলি কয়, and ইয়াতে A আছে. So আমি যদি Pythagoras theorem use কৰো then এটো 2d square এটো যেহেতু 2d হয় diameter আমাক diameter terms ত হদিছে. So আমি atomic diameter হদিছে, so আমি atomic diameter হিচাপত লিখিব লাগিব. So 2d square is equal to a square plus a square. এটো relation use কৰি আমি atomic diameter to a root 2 by 2 বুলি পাও এটো. So that the correct option hobo option number A, that is a root 2 by 2. That a বহুতে ভুল কি কৰে question to ভালকে নপঢ়ে and they end up taking this option as well because atomic diameter ঠাইত তেওঁলোকে radius বুলি ভাবি a root 2 by 4 দিদি. ইয়াতে যদি radius হলতেন then this option would have been correct, but যেহেতু ইয়াতে atomic diameter লিখা আছে so option A to correct hobo, and this is the calculation. The simple calculation or questions se hude iman tough numerical tarike yate na. So next question is heavy water, that is D2O, in nuclear reactor serves as. So etu coolant or moderator duita hisabe serve kore. So correct option would be both A and B, therefore option C is correct. Next question is the accurate curve of a component of a machine can be measured by radius gauge. So yate radius gauge se mane curve bila measure koribo pare. So the correct option is option C, that is radius gauge. Next question is copper plating is done in which of the bearings? It is done in the bush bearings. So this is again a knowledge based question. The numericals bohutte kom ahise. So jitu numerical ahile etu eta numerical asil bahut simple asil. Baki sob knowledge and concept based questions se hoy. So the next question is this. In question number 35, That is, in ocean, thermal energy absorption takes place according to which law? ইয়াতে আমি জানো যে ল্যাম্বাৰ্টছ ল' দি যেটো thermal energy absorption হয় OTEC মানে ocean thermal energy conversion সেইটো ল্যাম্বাৰ্টছ ল' ফলো কৰে and ল্যাম্বাৰ্টছ ল'য়ে কি ষ্টেট কৰে সেইটো জানিব লাগে যে each layer of equal thickness যে oceanত each layer of equal thickness it absorbs the same amount or same fraction of light that goes through it. যদি thickness same হয় then amount of energy absorption ও same হয়. So হেতুৱে Lambert's law state কৰে. Therefore this energy absorption takes place according to Lambert's law. Next question is again a knowledge based question. Which of the following indicates a multigrade oil? So correct option is SAE 20W50. The next question is question number 37. The operation of removing trapped air from hydraulic braking system is known as bleeding. So this is the operation name. The next question is the refrigerant R764 stands for a refrigerant common name to hold sulfur dioxide. So the correct option is option C, sulfur dioxide. The next question is a servo motor is a typical example of which system? Mechanical, computer, mechatronics, electronics. So servo motor actually mechanical components and electronic components and it's a like combination of both the systems and components. So yate servo motor is a typical example of mechatronic system. So option C is correct. The next question is which of the following items carry out the overall control of a system? So at a system or overall control to obviously graphic display to nokore, sensor se just sense kore, actuator se actuate kore at a process, but digital controls, these items actually it controls the overall control of a system. It carries out the overall control of a system. So the correct option will be digital controls. The next question is acceptance sampling. Acceptance sampling is widely used in job production, mass production, batch production and all of the above. So acceptance sampling to mass production use hoy jetia ami bahut beshi thakibo mane bahut beshi amount of produce hoy tetia hetu mass production lega ar mass production at acceptance sampling or eta concept to alo beleg hoy. Each and every component ok ami mane test kora no hoy ba inspect kora no hoy yate eta sample size lo hoy sample tur pora tate he acceptance sampling to carry out kora hoy and that so job mass production or khetrot acceptance sampling is widely used. So the correct option is mass production. Next question is what is the major loss in CI engines? CI engines are major loss due to incomplete combustion. The correct option for the major loss in CI engines would be loss due to incomplete combustion. The next question is in a gas turbine plant a regenerator increases what? Work output, pressure ratio, thermal efficiency and all of the above. Yate etu bahut confusing hoy. Actually regeneration process ot work output to nabahe. Same work output or karone jehetu ami energy supply koribo lage hetu kom energy supply koribo lage. So he karone regeneration actually he process to just thermal efficiency to बढ़ाए. So the correct option will be thermal efficiency only and not all of the above. It is बहुत confusion होय, but correct option is thermal efficiency. The next question is the blades of a gas turbine rotor are made of. This is again an information based question. Carbon steel or stainless steel or high alloy steel or high nickel steel. The correct option is high nickel steel. Blade gas turbine rotors or jibilak blades hoy hetu high nickel alloy pra bonwa hoy and this alloy name is pneumonic also hetu monot rakhiba lage pneumonic. So option hetu pneumonic u thakiba pare ketiaba. So high nickel alloy an eta naam hol pneumonic and the gas turbine rotor blades bilak pneumonic alloy pra bonwa. The next question is in break even point the total cost consists of fixed cost or variable cost or fixed cost and variable cost or none of the above. So যেহেতু ব্ৰেক ইভেন পইণ্ট মানে হ'ল যে নো প্ৰফিট নো লছ জোন, so সেইটো পইণ্টত প্ৰফিটটো নাথাকে, so total কষ্টটো হ'ব fixed cost plus variable cost. So the correct option is option C, that is the total cost consists of fixed cost and variable cost. The next question is accuracy depends on number of attempts of measurement, recognition of coincidence, recognition of threshold effect, and both B and C. So here the correct option will be recognition of coincidence and recognition of threshold effect, both of this. So both B and C, therefore option D is correct. The next question is parallax is a type of what? Parallax is a type of characteristic error. So or environmental error or reading error or dynamic error. Parallax method আমি কেটে এনকাউন্টার করব যেতিয়া আমি বস্তু এটা রিডিং লওঁ, so parallax is a type of reading error. So this. The next question is, out of the following, which instrument is known as the basic instrument in metrology laboratory? ইয়াতে simple metrolabor বা metrology questions বহুত আহে, so এটো simple হয়, steel foot rule or caliper or surface plate or spirit level. So steel foot rule is the basic instrument in a metrology lab. So the correct option is option A, that is steel foot rule. The next question is, computer will perform data processing functions in VMC, DNC, CNC and all of the above. Here the correct option will be CNC, computer numeric control. So computer data processing functions bilak sob computer numeric controller ready CNC perform kore. So correct option is option C. The next question is, which of the following is not a type of robot locomotion? So the correct option here is tracked disc. Baki legged and wheeled and tracked skid, hey guteketa, these are type of robot locomotion, but that is not a type of robot locomotion. Therefore, the correct option will be option C, that is tracked disc. So আজি আমি ইমানতে বাকি 50 questions discuss কৰিছো আৰু বাকি 50 questions আমি আন এটা ভিডিও লৈ আহিম. So till then stay tuned. Next 50 questions আমি জলদি আহিম, জলদি আপলোড কৰা হ'ব. এইখিনি হল আৰু 50 টা আছে, so total it is 100 questions. So thank you so much for watching the video. Hope it helped you. Thank you.